If you're a music artist, what type of content should you be posting? Performance reels. So this is just you performing a part of the song. So it could be like the verse, the chorus, whatever catchy part of the song. Skits to get people interested in your song. You want them to not know that you're promoting your song. So like actually have a skit and it ties into the song. And all of a sudden out of nowhere, boom, you start performing your song and they listen to it and they're like, oh, okay, you entertain me. Another piece of content would be personality. This is where I like podcasts, like just having a conversation, talking, letting people get to know who you are as a person. 4 would be vlogging, documenting what you do. Your fans would love to see your process in the studio. Day in the life videos, sharing your thoughts before you perform, after you perform, bring them with you while you perform. 5 would be giving them context to the song. People enjoy listening to music that they can relate to. So maybe you made a song about mental health, for example. And so you start the video off talking about your struggles with mental health, and then you tie in, I made a song about it, and then you start performing your song. If you're interested in getting a social media audit, comment the word audit below.